Hey everyone, Kurt with RC Digging 2401. Well, I ordered a single axle 4-wheel drive dump truck that I could use with my skid loader, and it's just a little guy. And I ordered it from Toucan Hobby, and so it arrived just a little while ago, and so we'll do a quick little unboxing and see what we got. If you hear some noise, I got a heater right above and it's running, so we'll just put up with it. Packaging looks pretty good. Box arrived in good condition. So it comes with nice corner guards to protect the box. See what's in here in a little bit. So it comes with an FSI 6 transmitter. I'm starting to get an accumulation of those. Just some miscellaneous things that I probably won't be using. Yeah, great packaging. Let's get this box out of here. Well, it's completely encased in this foam. It's really good. Well, here it is. Well, that is some intricate detail down there. Here are probably a couple batteries, hopefully 2. It takes a 2S battery, and I'm not really sure what size, how many milliamp hours it's going to be. Let's see. All right, one battery. So it's a 5,000 milliamp hour battery. All right. We'll get this thing charged up, and I'll throw the battery in, and then we'll give it some functions. Alright, well, this is kind of cool. So to tip the cab forward, I don't know if you can see that mechanism down in there working. I'm doing this one-handed, but pull that down and the whole cab tips forward, and I just did that a few minutes ago. And there is a second battery inside. And the truck comes with, looks like a set of mirrors. Right here's some fasteners. And these here look like the mirrors. Not really sure what this little bleed off tube is for. I'm sure it's an overfill tube. There's the mirrors. Has no instructions. I gotta figure out where this piece goes. I think these are probably magnets. Yep, it's a magnet. Okay, I got the mirrors on both sides, and you know, there's some other little mirrors here. I don't think I'm really going to mess around with these too much. The screws for holding this mirror on, those screws go right in here with these two holes, and the head's stripped out right away. So I don't think it's really imperative that I got to have those on anyway. But overall, you know, I put some hydraulic fluid in and charged up the batteries. I got a screamer on the battery so I know when the voltage gets low. And here is starting. Sounds good. The hydraulic pump in the motor, man, it's loud. But it has pretty good angle to it. And that cylinder is pretty strong too. So that mechanism that I told you about for unlocking the cab so you can tip it forward and access the battery, it's this little lever right here. And I think I told you lift it up or something like that. You don't, you just push it straight across horizontally. And that opens up the cab. Got my little screamer in there so I can see and hear when the voltage, actually when I hear the voltage gets low. And the battery's right here. So that seems to have plenty of room. Definitely seems to have plenty of power. But I gotta find the speed controller because when you put it in reverse, or when you want to go in reverse, you gotta hit the stick twice. It's kind of like the Cabalite 988. And there's a little jumper in there, you just pull that out. And I'm gonna do that because I don't like having to, you know, move the stick back twice. Let's put it on the ground and see how it goes. I threw the skid loader in there just for the heck of it. The light functions are pretty good. I like that. It's got differential lock on it, which will be good because this is going to be mostly in the dirt. I think this is going to be a good addition to the fleet.